The United States District Court for the Northern District of California is the federal United States District Court whose jurisdiction comprises following counties of California: Alameda, Contra Costa, Del Norte, Humboldt, Lake, Marin, Mendocino, Monterey, Napa, San Benito, San Francisco, San Mateo, Santa Clara, Santa Cruz, and Sonoma. The court hears cases in its courtrooms in Eureka, Oakland, San Francisco, and San Jose. It is headquartered in San Francisco. Cases from the Northern District of California are appealed to the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit. History: California was admitted as a state on September 9, 1850, and was initially divided into two districts, the Northern and the Southern, by Act of Congress approved September 28, 1850, 9 Stat 521. The boundary line was at the 37th parallel of north latitude. The creating act provided that, in addition to the ordinary jurisdiction and powers of a District Court of the United States, with which the Southern District Court of New York has been invested, the said courts be and hereby are invested respectively within the limits of its district with the exercise of concurrent jurisdiction and power in all civil cases now exercised by the Circuit Courts of the United States. And that in all cases where said courts shall exercise such jurisdiction, appeals may be taken from the judgments, orders or decrees of said courts to the Supreme Court of the United States. The Act of August 31, 1852 made the judge of the Northern District be judge of the Southern District as well until otherwise provided, by 10 Stat 76, 84, effectively creating a single district in all but name until an Act of January 18, 1854 provided for the appointment of a judge for the Southern District. The Southern District of California was abolished and the state made to constitute a single district the United States District Court for the District of California by Act of Congress approved July 27, 1866, 14 Stat 300. 20 years later, on August 5, 1886, Congress recreated the Southern District of California by 24 Stat 308. Erskine M. Ross was appointed judge of the new district and served until his promotion to the circuit judgeship, when he was succeeded by Olin Wellborn. On March 18, 1966, the Eastern and Central Districts were created from portions of the Northern and Southern Districts by 80 Stat 75. Specialization: the court has become known as the presumptive destination for major cases involving defendants based in East Asia and the high-tech sector. Current judges: Fogel remains on the court as an active judge, despite his appointment to head the FJC. However, a temporary judgeship was created, effective the day of his appointment to the FJC, which will terminate automatically upon Fogel's death, retirement or senior status. Additionally, if he terminates his FJC service and returns to regular duty on the court, the temporary judgeship will terminate upon the first death, retirement or senior status of any active service judge on the court. Vacancies and pending nominations: former judges, succession of seats, United States Attorney. The United States Attorney for the Northern District of California represents the United States in civil and criminal litigation in the court. Melinda Haag was nominated by President Barack Obama to serve as the United States Attorney for the Northern District of California on March 25, 2010. Confirmed by the Senate on August 5, and sworn in on August 13, 2010. See also, Courts of California, List of United States federal courthouses in California, Notes. External links: United States District Court for the Northern District of California official website, United States Attorney for the Northern District of California official website, Community History Exhibits at San Francisco Court Facilities.